Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use split screen feature on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to use split screen in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So basically in your iPhone you haven't any direct way to use split screen, but you can still do this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to write update the software, then go to your app store and you just need to install a third party app. Just tap on the search option here and you can directly search for a split screen. And here as I have a search for split screen here, you might get a lot of apps here. So I have already installed this, so I'm gonna use this one here. Just tap on this open option and the app will be open. Now here you can do browsing. You can use browsing into multiple windows. So let's say I'm gonna use YouTube in my first window here, and I'm gonna use my Facebook app in my second window. So you can split between them. You can resize your windows from here. So in this way, you can easily use split screen in your iPhone. So in your iPhone, you haven't any feature to use split screen, but using a third party app you can easily use split screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.